Everyone, I'm Neeraj Chaudhary. Once again, I am back with new Excel function that is called unique function. Unique function in Excel is a powerful and dynamic array function that returns a list of unique values from a range or array. It's a game changer for data analysis and cleaning. How it works? Unique function scan the specified array and identifies unique values. It returns an array of unique values which can spill into adjacent cells. Its syntax is equals to unique bracket array comma by column comma exactly once. So let's understand what is array. Array, the range or array containing the data which you want to extract unique values from. By column, it's an optional argument specifying whether to extract unique values by column true or false. False is default. Exactly once, it's also optional argument specifying whether to return value that appear exactly once in the array, true and false. False is default. So now let's understand what is the benefit of unique function. It's simplifying data cleaning, easily identifying and extract unique values from large data sets, improves data analysis, quickly get a list of distinct value, making it easier to analyze and summarize the data. In summary, unique function is a versatile tool for data analysis, cleaning and manipulation, and valuable addition to your Excel toolkit, making data analysis and cleaning faster and more efficient. Now let's understand how this function works practically. So here you can apply equals to unique. It's asking for select the array. So this time our array would be this column category. Select and close the bracket. Hit the enter. You will get the unique items. Also you can apply here false, return unique rows. Okay, also here you can if you will apply here true, then the only one unique you will get answer, that is lifestyle. Here have unique values, only one. Rest other items have a duplicate value. So that's why here if you apply true, you will get only unique value, returns item that appear exactly once. If you apply here false, it's by default you will get the answer like this, total unique value. Okay, now let's move on to understand unique count of this item. So first let's apply counter and then unique, and now you can select here the array. You can close the bracket, hit the enter. You will get the answer as 5. If you can see here, you can change anything like this xyz. The unique count is changing 5 to 6. So in this way this function works. Now we need the now let's see unique list of zone and category. Zone and category, we need a unique list together. So let's apply here unique. You can select entire array and close the bracket, hit the enter. You will get the answer as a unique. Now let's move on to understand by column how this function works. Now let's understand how this unique function works in a by column. Unique, close return a unique column, select true here. So here you will get the answer like this, 5. Here also you can check the 5 items: furniture, medicine, food item, accessories and lifestyle. Here also you can see by column: furniture, medicine, food item, accessories and lifestyle. So in this basis you can apply and utilize a unique function on daily basis at your workplace. Hope you guys have enjoying this video and happy learning, and thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you, thanks for watching.